Oh no, Benji, you're a bad driver. Oh, hello. Hello, what have we got? Oh, the noise, man, the noise. We got some excellent parking. 1 minibus, 2 minibus. And that is how you dirty bitch up in this place. Look at that. That's beautiful, that is. Filthy as van, but he's cleaned his number plate. That's what I like to see. He's had to touch all that grubbiness with his hands though. Look, it's got fingerprints on it. Ugh. Dirty bitch. What the fuck, man? Oh my god, why? How fucking stupid are you? You better be coming this way. Fucking. Oh my fucking god, man. Open your fucking eyes, innit? I wonder what she was actually doing. Was she actually looking? Was she looking down at something else? I didn't quite see in the mirror. I wonder what she's actually doing. Oh, there's a vehicle stopped. I wonder if I'm going to stop in time. No! That's going to bug me for the rest of the fucking day now. Until I watch it back and look at her face and see what she was doing. Okay, so I just watched the footage back. Good parenting. Smoking with kids in the car. Clap, clap. Way, you legend.
Why is he reversing?
I have no idea, Alexi.
She reversing?
Why is she reversing? I have no idea, Alexi. Do you wanna clap again?
Oh, can I say clap? Clap, 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 clap.
We'll just put some sound effects in.
I can't clap.
Alexi, clap.
Can't it hurt? Yeah, clap, baby.
No, we're gonna have to put some clapping sound effects in now, aren't we?
Can't it hurt? Why are we clapping?
Because he's designed that number plate to be misleading. That's not allowed. That's naughty. That deserves a spanking.
Oh my god, look at that size of that puddle!
Puddle!
It's huge!
Oh no, we're gonna have to stay down! Oh no! Oh no, we're gonna stop!
Things that make you go,
What?
Did you see that sign?
No.
Hedgehog crossing area. You didn't see that?
No.
We're going back. We're going back. I've got to show you. There's another one, look.
Slow down, hedgehog area.
I'm going to have to slow down because it's a hedgehog crossing area, yeah? See?
It is.
Hedgehog crossing area. Oh, I didn't know hedgehogs got their own crossing. Where's the little yellow man with his orange coat on? Where's he to?
Oh, the lollipop lady?
Yeah. What noise do hedgehogs make?
I don't know.
Hey Google, what noise do hedgehogs make?
Here's a hedgehog. Do you want to hear a guinea pig sound?
What? Okay.
Meh. Why does she even bother beeping? That guy was nowhere near her. I don't understand. Somebody just likes to sound their fucking horn, don't they? I like that number plate. That's good.
Wow.
No, kiss
Kiss
wow.
wow,
Kiss,
yeah.
give me a kiss. No, joking.
Ah. Don't you want to kiss your beautiful wife?
Nope.
Why not?
I'm driving. Gotta concentrate, yeah?
Blow me a kiss then.
No.
You could do that.
You blew me.
Seriously. Stop. Benjamin.
You are so boring.
Oh, just why would you do that for? It's just a fucking weird thing to do. Oh, it's cold out there.
I'm gonna do an parallel park because I don't like that space because I don't like if people park next to me. At least that person can drive straight out. We're gonna super parallel park. We are.
Alright.
Yep, super parallel park.
Super parallel.
Do it really fast and in one go. Da 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 da.
Oh, okay.
With the handbrake being ripped up as well. Boosh! Parked, bitch. Ooh, hello. Hello. Look at that. Look at that. That is smexy. That's a tiny little thing, though, isn't it? It looked like a little toy car. I didn't think it was that small. Old cars spotted. Oh, hello. We've got a friend with no mirrors. Look at the state of that car. You can always tell how good a driver is and how competent they are by examining their mirrors. Yeah? If they're all smashed and battered like that, you can generally assume that they're like not the best of drivers. Oh, hello. Hello, sneaky.
No, the reason why I want flat...
Ooh! Do that noise.
Gotta do it one more time.
Ooh!
Okay.
Did you like that?
Yep.
Do some old car sounds.
I don't know what old car sounds are.
Just go. Thank you. I lost it on my hand. Just keep getting spiked by something.